Hey guys, so I have here my JBL Quantum One gaming headset, and today I want to show you here how to replace the earpads on this headset. So this is relatively easy here. So when it works the same way on the left side and the right side, I'm going to demonstrate this today on the left side here. And all you need to do is you take a look on the side, from the side here. There you see this little gap here between the this fake leather here and the plastic, the ear cup. And if you grab onto the ear cup and the cushion really hard, really firmly, then you can sort of spread them apart. So you can even like try to put your fingernails in between, and you see how they split open here eventually. If you start from the top, that's where it is the easiest. And the trick here is you have to remove these clips that are inside of the ear cup and that detach or attach to the cushion. So there's a total of 6 of these plastic clips, and they hook into the earpad. And see, I'm working my way slowly around, so towards both sides. And at the very bottom, that's the I think it's the worst one to get detached. So see here, this is really hard to get detached. The last clip, that is, and you don't want to just try to kind of flip down the earpad, because then it may break off that plastic clip. You have to kind of try to work your way around. See, this is something you shouldn't do. So you shouldn't try to keep going further. Really try to keep as close the earpad as close to the ear cup as possible, and then try to just detach it here by just prying on the very bottom. See here, now I got it loose. And now you can also see here in the earpad, you can see those 6 little indents here. That's where those plastic clips are hooking into. You can also see here how translucent the earpad is here. The inside of the earpad looks really nice. And then if we have a look at the ear cup itself, then you see here in the center, that's the transducer, you can see really nicely. But then here around, you see these 6 plastic clips, and you want to try to not break those off. I mean, it's not too bad if you just break off one by accident. The earpad will still be get back on really nicely, and you won't see any difference, but try to not break them in general. Okay, and so now if you want to install the new earpad, then you just take that and line it up with the 6 little clips here, and you just firmly press it on, and they should all click into place, and there shouldn't be any gap in between here, just like this, and then you're already done. Yeah, okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a message below, and don't forget to check out my other videos.